Hi there. Today we're going to talk about something that can make a huge difference in a child's education, an IEP, or Individualized Education Plan. Let's explore what an IEP is, how it works, who might need one, and how it can help students succeed. What is an IEP? An IEP is a customized learning plan designed for students who have been identified as having a disability that affects their ability to learn in a traditional classroom. It's a legal document under the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, or IDEA. It outlines the student's current abilities, specific learning goals, the support and services the school will provide. Think of it as a roadmap to help your child reach their full potential academically, socially, and emotionally. Who might need an IEP? An IEP is designed for students who have diagnosed disabilities that impact learning. This can include learning disabilities like dyslexia or dyscalculia, ADHD, autism spectrum disorder, speech or language impairments, emotional or behavioral disorders, hearing, vision, or physical impairments. Not every struggling student needs an IEP, but if challenges are ongoing and significant, it may be time to consider one. Steps to getting an IEP. So how do you get an IEP? Here are the basic steps. 1. Referral. A parent, teacher, or doctor can refer a child for evaluation. Please understand that a referral does not mean that a student will automatically qualify for services. Data, including work samples, must be collected over a period of time that shows the area as of concern. This does not happen overnight. It definitely takes time. 2. Evaluation. A school psychologist conducts assessments to see if the child qualifies for special education services. 3. Eligibility meeting. A team of educators and parents decide if the child qualifies under IDEA. 4. IEP meeting. If eligible, a team, including the parents, develops the IEP. 5. Implementation. The IEP is put into action with the services and supports outlined. 6. Annual reviews and updates. The IEP is reviewed at least once a year and updated as needed. What if a child doesn't qualify, even if they struggle? Sometimes a child may clearly need support, but still does not qualify for an IEP under the law. This can feel confusing or frustrating for families. A child might not qualify if their difficulties don't meet IDEA's legal definition of a disability. Their academic performance is still considered at grade level, despite challenges. The child has excessive absences from school. The school team believes their needs can be met through general education supports or a 504 plan. But don't worry, there are still options. A 504 plan can provide accommodations like extended test time, seating arrangements, or behavior strategies. Schools can also offer intervention programs, small group instruction, or counseling to support your child in different ways. The important thing is, your child is not out of options. What an IEP is not. It's important to clear up some misunderstandings. An IEP is not a punishment, a way to label or limit your child. Only for students with severe disabilities, a guarantee of perfect results. It's a tool, a support system, to help students thrive in the way that's best for them. The common reservations. Parents may have. It's completely normal for parents to have concerns. You might be thinking, will my child be singled out? Will this hold them back? What if I don't agree with the school? Does this mean my child is in special ed? These are all valid questions. Your child will receive services based upon an identified disability. The services are under the broad umbrella of special education. However, the services your child receives are based on an identified need, just like the needs of children with allergies and asthma need to be addressed. So do the needs of students with behavioral or learning disabilities. Remember, You will be a vital part of the IEP team. Your voice matters, and your child has rights. The goal is always to support, not to stigmatize. Benefits of an IEP. There are so many potential benefits. Personalized learning strategies, extra time or alternative settings for tests, one-on-one support or therapy, behavioral or emotional support services, improved confidence and academic success. Most importantly, an IEP can help your child feel understood, supported, and capable. Final thoughts. Every child learns differently. An IEP isn't about lowering expectations. It's about finding the best way for your child to shine. If you think your child might benefit from an IEP, don't hesitate to start the conversation with their teacher or school counselor. Because when we work together, we give every student the chance to succeed. Thanks for watching, and remember, support makes all the difference.